What's up, everybody? Welcome to another episode of D Wingrove Outdoors. Got a special video lined up for you guys today. It is a duck hunting compilation. All unused footage. We just couldn't quite turn into full videos, so we're going to show it here on the channel now. I hope you guys enjoy. Tell me when. I can't see him. Come on. Right over. Bird locked up. Come on. Oh yeah, baby. We got three of them. We got four. Four? Yeah. No. Yeah, because you killed.
Yeah, it's out there.
Hold on. Drake Woody, boys. Let's go. Wow.
I'm not gonna shoot over their head. I will get them.
Kill it. Kill it. Got him.
I don't think they're hard to get.
Kill him! I got two. I got two.
Just fell hit.
I got that one over there.
I got two on that.
Should I kill him?
No. Wait. Kill him. Kill him. Kill him.
I got two. Kill him!
Nice.
He's down.
I got that one on last.
Oh! I got him. Me? There we go. First duck of the year is a mallard.
Drake Mallard.
Drake mallard. Oh, there's two more.
They're either going away.
Are they dumping?
They're in the head. They're swimming.
Oh, they're mergansers.
You can shoot them if you want. I don't like
That one right there?
Yeah. This one? Yeah.
Alright, whoever wants to shoot him.
No, the
shoot
one
him.
behind them. You see the one behind them?
Oh, that's a cool duck.
See the ones behind them? What are those?
I see.
Shoot that thing! Shoot that thing! Shoot that merganser!
Oh, shoot him!
Nah, it's too hot.
He don't care. There he said blast him.
I have 3.5 is live.
Oh, I got him! I got him! I got him. He just landed over there on the bank. Take him. Nice. Good shooting, boys.
Oh, man.
You coming?
Oh, wait. Here you go.
Oh, there's two.
Oh.
Right here. Nah. The woodies. No. Oh, there's one down.
Oh, my gun jammed. You're good. That was a woody. Kill him.
That was a wood duck. Come right at us. You ready? You ready? Now. One's down. I'll come with you. Oh, there's another one. Coming up, coming up. You ready? You ready? He's coming right at us. Get ready, get ready. Nice. Now. Nice, Day Day. Good. That should drag too, I think.
Let's go! Let's go, Day Day.
Let's go. Good.
Yeah. I got one. Go! I got one.
I think I killed that, did
I'm
it?
pretty sure I shot that.
Yeah, let him win. Ready?
You shoot one.
3, 2, 1. I got him. I gotta go get that thing. Shoot him, shoot, shoot. Nice.
Let's go.
I don't know what that was. I think it's a teal.
It's a teal for
or
sure.
a wood duck. No way. I heard a wood duck. Shoot it. Nice. It's a wood duck.
Yeah.
Flew over. Oh, right here, right here. Take him. Nice.
I dusted that one. You
They're
sure?
both right there.
Oh, duck.
Oh!
I got a ringer! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! I You fool! Did you see how far that was, dude? Did you see how far that was? Ring neck, baby! Let's go! I folded that thing, dude!
Oh yeah, right overhead, right overhead. To your left, baby. I folded one. I folded one. You ready, boys? Here. 3, 2, 1, take him.
Got him!
We all tagged down. I mean, I shot at the same time you did. Come on, just a little bit. Oh, look, right here. Blue bills, blue bills. Take them. Oh, my gun jammed, dude.
Got one. There's a can.
Cans.
Right.
Yeah, good shot, man. Right. Good shot. That's a can, dude.
It's still getting mounted. Kill him!
Nice. I only had one shell in, boys.
Got two out of that.
Oh, that's a murder. Here, pop him.
Dead bird. Is it dead?
What's up with these birds?
Alright guys, that's going to wrap it up for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. A lot of great hunts. I wish I could have got out there to you guys sooner, but couldn't quite get a video out of them. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you like the content here on D Wingrove Outdoors, make sure you give us a like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, see you later on D Wingrove Outdoors. Peace.